Look at Mommy. Are you a Yoda? What are you?
I'm Yoda. I draw Yoda and Chewbacca and Luke. I draw Chewbacca and Luke. I draw Yoda and Luke and Chewbacca. I draw Princess Leia.
You drew them all?
Yeah. Go see. Go see.
Is it in the kitchen?
Go see it.
Okay.
Go see it.
Could you do a little jumping like Yoda?
See how to jump. See, jump hand.